Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the best products available. Today, we're talking about one of the top choices for aquarium owners. The clear mesh netting material, a 4 feet by 5 feet plastic mesh screen that's ideal for creating custom aquarium top covers. If you're looking for a way to keep your aquatic pets safe and your tank clean, this is the product you need. Aquariums are a wonderful way to enjoy aquatic life, but they come with a few challenges, like keeping your fish safe from jumping out and preventing debris from getting into the tank. That's where this clear mesh netting comes in. Whether you're setting up a new tank or upgrading an existing one, this mesh screen is the perfect solution for covering your aquarium. It measures 4 feet by 5 feet, offering plenty of material to cover a variety of tank sizes, from smaller 10-gallon tanks to larger 75-gallon tanks. The mesh itself features a 1/4 by 1/4 opening, which ensures that it keeps even the tiniest of fish from escaping while still providing great light transmission. This is especially important for coral reef tanks, where light plays a key role in supporting the growth of corals and other delicate aquatic plants. The high transparency of this netting makes it a fantastic choice for reef tanks, as it allows ample light to penetrate while keeping your fish safely contained. One of the standout features of this mesh netting is its versatility. You can use it to create custom lids for your tank, as a divider or separator inside the tank, or even as a top cover for a fish aquarium. It's also a great alternative to the typical egg crate lids that many aquarium owners use, as this netting is safer for your fish. Unlike egg crate lids, which have sharp edges that could potentially hurt your fish, this mesh screen offers a smoother, more secure option. It's made from polypropylene plastic, which is durable and easy to work with, making it ideal for DIY aquarium projects. What makes this mesh screen even more appealing is its compatibility with the Prime Line Replacement Window Screen Frame Kit. If you're familiar with window screen frames, you'll find this mesh easy to fit into a frame for a custom cover. This makes installation straightforward, even for those who might not be familiar with DIY aquarium projects. You'll have your tank covered in no time, keeping your fish safe and your aquarium looking great. In conclusion, the clear mesh netting material is the best aquarium screen for anyone looking for a durable, easy-to-use solution for keeping their fish secure and their tanks in pristine condition. Whether you're a seasoned aquarium owner or just getting started, this mesh netting is a fantastic investment that offers both functionality and ease of use. Be sure to check it out and see how it can enhance your aquarium setup. Thanks for watching Product Critique.